Jamie, yeah, Facebook, one GTV, never see Hubby. Never see Hubby.
To watch in here. Okohe Euros finals were Wembley. No be a buy watching.
Richard Mal.
Yeah.
Always want almost one done. Then there you go. The new Raj. Now, Okohebo of the watching to say. And the 2 months at the Gorabo.
Now, that will be to me by free in Sakura. Well,
now, who's the movies now? I'm from I take home. I saw about us what Pim was sorry. It was down when you have a comment or
why was
a cover so why what you drink one
over 300 million.
Now the 300 million goons as well. I want for Piscadia, yeah, they're going to watch me. Now what we cry now, 7 years, okay, you need a India orange, need blue, need a Masa.
And somehow kick it
because my voice can't
did new Raj.
We have some of them to Friday, Iba.
Ship de la
Bar.
Friday, so dear. Ship de la video be about.
Ship de la video be about. I say, Yakochino can US, you got Jake Cabin.
So also Jake the carefree.
The sinner or say girl be on any. There's only girl between Brown and what talk our man.
So they are no deal.
Issue by no go
in the car. No, or in the mansion, you know. So mansion will come out now Friday.
It's what you any I ran. Okay. So say Ghana Premier League, you know. Bedding Hearts of Oak League. In fact, Hearts of Oak League in the Waji. It's now saying your Blazer Benjamin said Johnson Smith, the number of Canada will point. Or some run or cast, some cards will give me 5 minutes. Now, when you're pointing now, or cast 70 Mobia Mamma Money. Andy, I'm saying £40,000. And I say £10,000 be a you. Say pound say 8. Obi, unya pound check. By 8.
Pound 8.
Master, I then okay 3.1 billion. Unya a you. Oh no, they are bonus. Now Obi. Obi you. Me kasa me so so dey what. The watch changes album, that's why. Good boy. Then boy, you so there are when watch the value. How go turn for now. Anyway, Obi is interesting question, Biaba.
Okay.
Say Ballon d'Or. As they say, who candidates in you?
Candidates.
And Yasmin say every band for Ballon d'Or. Also agenda 20 as I bet Ghana League. And also goes. Baby Kaba Messi. Jorginho.
Of course.
Jorginho.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Busumi mienu aje championships mienu.
Jorginho.
Yeah, Jorginho.
Said Inter.
On a bell and a Messi.
Jorginho.
Yes. On a bell and a Messi.
Apu. Jorginho.
On a bell and a Messi.
Say, no go winning here the send the money.
Oh, there already.
On a bell and a Messi. Oh, winner. Offer Messi aje Copa America. Individually, Messi
Jorginho. Very team man.
Na chama se offer Lewandowski na fa Jorginho ba pick one.
Lewandowski na Jorginho.
Yeah. They say Lewandowski ni dinner free mo.
Lewandowski won't pa.
Lewandowski because of
Lewandowski. Sure.
Lewandowski. No. About of course, you're a
number of goals or share.
Goals or share.
And about Euros and so share 3 goals. Or move from group stages.
Euros in no country no the buy don't say them. Oh, na Jogi. Okay, we won't come.
Yeah.
They say who's there when Lionel Messi.
Jorginho. Lewandowski. Yeah. Into your share season last year. Omo maka near their source.
It's your share season last year near Kakrana.
Omo, for example, bit is Hurricane. Onya good start with either Man City or whichever team obeko. Because also we establishing who England who under the year under review until between the Kakrana so depending on the start of Benya for the next season. Near Hesenia yeah. So Lukaku so Eshasi or Inter Milan.
Now something Lukaku what team of the tournament.
Of course, Chavo.
Sir.
And can open Patrick Schick na.
Euro.
No.
Donnarumma, Spinazzola on there. On what you triplets go the count.
Yeah.
Bonucci, Maguire. Okay, Kyle Walker had a good tournament.
Yeah.
Pedri, Højbjerg, Jorginho, Sterling. He had a good tournament.
Yeah.
Lukaku, Chiesa. Lukaku.
Unless Patrick Schick, I don't know, but between Onone Patrick
Lukaku.
Schick, Lukaku.
He had a wonderful tournament.
Denfo.
He had,
Omuko vie nyanyo no.
I know correct.
Ya bobo
I'm say team ben ball false 9 Spain. And Luis Enrique yes or ball false 9 because Lukaku Machielli ni Bonucci no. Marking totally out of the game. I think it's a reason why they left. But Lukaku actually say you can't center forward so more years especially for these Euros there. I think so he's there. He's up there. There.
We say Tinaboga Brazil no Arsenal player in the best league. Basa ye dream ho.
But no me who Granit Xhaka bi and no the list man.
Obi na di kan ye. And then we go no obeya twetwe gaga. Obeya twetwe. Basa reserves no Granit Xhaka better bench.
David chawa.
Saka. Saka better.
Bukayo Saka.
Saka asema timu sa de say kwa.
Saka no go na no go so go panel no go ka so mo. Oje wiase no adebo how to say eba.
Yeah.
Na odwen ho.
But when no sa penalties near who nsem na sisi me kra me susanka golden rule yen san famra. Golden extra time wa be she go ni apon because yes no kra ni say omusha say 90 I think 93 there about no more ka say e ma extra time no ye boring amount for a defender no ma train penalties and no kra say golden rule no so by na golden goal rule no so by no amount for en defender amount for mom defender but we share the abuse. For example, Lionel Messi, Argentina, Chile, Copa America finals, back one Messi penalty, Gonzalo Higuain, Messi penalty, Asemo Eto'o, England, Mrantiemi, and say Messi penalties, we are there to Omo. In Tianka, a golden rule and a golden goal rule, no wa. Extra time, ya shas ya. Oh, you know, go a referee upon. Oh, na sa nyoma bise akuko so na swati. Of course, Oma Yisam ran a few. I think in 2002 after the 2002 World Cup in in Japan and South Korea, but I was some more considered.
Kofi Brand says BKB withdraw your statement about Jorginho. My withdraw. But myself says Jorginho, you cruise Ballon d'Or. Yes, Jorginho. The winner is Jorginho.
Yeah.
Then it's Obaji.
Hey. Gracefully. Hey, you pushing it to a different level, cry.
I said we are kind of
pushing it to a different level.
Senior Shamu. I say, maybe I want Afghan Beni obituary. I say, Kaka Voga for talk to the mom. African champion was Beni. Anyway, well, yes, I'm referee. Now, of course, Yerika Kabase Wafa. A guard of honor for Hearts of Oak FA Cup quarter final draw so on Thursday. But another protest.
Yeah.
Another protest. Elmina Sharks protesting against Legon Cities.
Yeah.
Say, I'm feel the unqualified player. Yante Omo points. And this is their case. The day another day. And then 13 we 11 Sunday no me. Okay, Sunday no more match. Yes. The Sunday now over the 2.
And it's how much we now provided possibly the goal of the season, no. James Bissell goal no share no.
Game and they say
2-1. 2-0. Okay, 2-0.
But Ekoya just here better go to this 3.
Yeah.
As it goes to this relegation.
Yeah.
And not Sharks any advantage. Say a 10 dia or no be free. Or interest room. Say a better.
I didn't hear their talk Facebook Live. Obviously. Okay. To the General Secretary Ghana Football Association between Sharks and of course Sharks the petitioner and Lagos City is here the respondent. Now yanko almost say omo match no boy na brancha your friend Mohamed Isaka yenim say Ghana Football Association's mran Article 33(1)(e) of the GFA Premier League Regulations 2019 in the match day 33 obviously abrantia no omo match on no Indum Stadium no na eni kwan so Bobby na denti omo de yom case nyina ne say omo say matches miensa or the yellow cards and also random no so the 3 yellow cards I mean in 3 different games consecutively and now the 3 yellow cards or 1 match suspension na matches ni nie and ejare kosroma e wadaroma na yenhwe eye matches a oma line ne up no na yentimi enka ne mfa me yetifo na oma se omo kan nyina ne se abrantie no 1-7 saban no and odi abebo game a omo bono and these are the games obviously match day 5 Ashanti Gold versus Elmina Sharks.
So, omo former player.
Omo former player. Okay.
Omo na transfer no second window.
I think and can guy go visit. Omo transfer. Hono mo yedi no omo. Na say onya card ba ko bro si akai mo omo.
Onya
mienu
Sharks.
And no ball Lagos City is watching 1.
Our body share.
Against Wafa no nya.
Against Wafa, yes. Lagos City is Wafa. On the 15th of May 2021. Na 1-7 ban no. And on na be against Sharks. It don't say an unqualified player is a player who has received a caution in 3 league games. Oko article 28(1) E na. And you know, and funny for a die. So they will back on my so. There's a network. Okay. No, the refuse my na anyway. And just say almost see and take Lagos City 3. Yet Lagos City 3 now. As I say Lagos City, they say almost 39, right?
Yeah.
As I say Lagos City, Ebenya say 36.
Yeah.
Relegation bound. And then it's just almost relegation straight.
Yeah.
I did a bit okay. It's nice, I don't know.
But it's very interesting. Now BYT can FNE alert you. Unya yellow card. So player ni eligible for suspension.
Every mo obi a onye eligible to play.
Yeah.
How many teams ni nyina?
Yeah. One team guy na Saka alert.
So FND could di Sharks for what they are because we no call Lagos City. The first match was against Olympics, April 2021 year. And was starting to ball the first match. It is a transfer and once you be a window no a match ni April hono. Inti ebi ana nedia ne could di Elmina Sharks for inti no musu nya sa full evidence and since that day no our call Lagos City no or Messi not even a league match matches ni nyina wabo FA Cup na minya hu line up a ebi a Lagos City de ejina mu de but league games a okoye or starting ball against Olympics no or Messi game back okra na ode ko ball Wafa was saying yellow card back count day 25 it from day 25 no and I say FA Cup match bi o bi our mobi dia and say no so em say ehim ana yellow cards na dey nkan chairman say red card dey account Premier League na say any Abrante no Messi league game bi after Wafa na onya yellow card no as go there in 71st minute onya yellow card
say FA na fan ko dan Lagos City sir. Lagos City is better make a case over that na. But I know na tiger for court semba no. Say, pasa emra wa na wo mra. Emra na mi di so. Obi abu mra no so untimi decide say wa jimfum so na wo jimfum so ntuma ne o points yento. On also 10 points. Because say Lagos City is F any means necessary. Somebody me Ediaka League, Elmina Sharks, and so same.
I think another regulatory worry in the sense that Elmina Sharks winning match no 2-0. But Mrano say Anka Elmina Sharks and winning. You budget 3 points, any 3 goals. In Fesiano, Elmina Sharks enya 3 points no.
Say that's action. 3 points.
Elmina Sharks enya win dada. When you 3 points no, but when you 3 goals no. They say a decision no how everybody say because according to Mekan E no or see unya 3 goals or more problem be any
hobby not just a yensan kote no
because we lose that
na gu aye 3
that's
fighting for head to head
no na I say no so they other issues
league table no mami had omo pe head to head 3 goals no omo pe eti ejayibesa wada ma pe league table no mai. Now, as I say, Hearts of Oak are champions of the Ghana Premier League, and Of course, on Saturday we will celebrate with them in a grand style, on massive work on Bayani Bibiano. But now, issue now who is going to Division 1. You know one team are already condemned to relegation. You know another team that has already qualified. What I say? Now,
we say 2-0 first round.
Lagos City share Elmina Sharks 2-0.
And also I say 2-0.
It's less a kebepe.
It minim baby omo fair fraba say be na last game no. Say 39-38.
Say no sir, say na team am home me no.
39-38.
39.
Lagos City were 39. And Elmina Sharks 38 points. I don't know say
goes
one day say question omo ama.
Goes for okay.
I'm almost looking at the board draw. Yeah.
Goes for Lagos City for 31. Sharks for 33. Goes against. Goes against no. Lagos City is on -2. Sharks -12. It is a go back. Say head to near par. Elmina Sharks don't go relegation. What I say, but say head to near the first. It is Sharks yeah protest no. Not the 3 goals. Na Sharks no. The TNA. On the last match, no go to never.
On the Kotoko. And Lagos City soon 11 wonders. I work Accra.
Oh, Enguzi.
Ebia I was say Obi Suma omuhu because enye Obi kwa na bio so a minim say ye be sa ati. Lagos City 3 points. It say omo aye niamo ho sem say sa na nkemra no tie but Obi adani ani yama
33-2 no. I say in respect to offenses A to E. And E also na yellow card issues in terms of unqualified player. No matter what the score shall be at the time of the offense or at the end of the game, the offending team shall be considered. The offending team shall be considered as having lost the match, and accordingly, 3 points and 3 goals shall be awarded in favor of the other team, unless the innocent team is leading by a margin of more than 3 goals at the time of the offense or when the match comes to an end, in which case the score will stand.
Yeah. And
problem here goes. Goes problem.
Well, Kim Faisal and so then you name some so battle relegation but Kim Faisal news we are meeting on the pay. Yes, players no be players kuske ho omse ke bia kemia fa mama ha last match and nyabe binya asembenya siu. But Kim Faisal hona na omabranti efe no eye pepra kwan pepra ono so an offer from North Macedonia aba edi aba no say and also contract the details no yensa akabi team no your friend no Nina Scoopy Scoopy Football Club Scoopy it's in 1927 now I'm say omo pekin fans are branch ever no kwampepra na de omo yen say omo say come pen loan 15,000 euros 15,000 euros loan and then on a temporary basis I will say Ombeja branch for the 2021-2022 season starting from the 15th of July to the 14th of June 2022. Now that's the 15th of July 2021 to 14th June 2022. Now we say player no and also of course they are subject to medical. Ne ITC for the player now Omo the first option to buy but no Omo the home boaba say 85,000 euros, which means that nimi no ebeye 100,000 Can find our sister Kanisa. Obviously offer ni valid until the 15th. Echnechi can find our G2 fine Oma nyantum dia. The offer is gone. Now a branch no e boss amanya say the team of free or back in five and almost budget. Obviously, can find any. Yes, the managers second find any. We shall find you now second find a musomu, but can find us no.
Omo Kwampepra on Rankasa Opeso ko Europe a kobobo. And today no free North Africa buy no. A honana or the non mutual cash down at their mom. But Kwampepra Nankasa no or no peso ko Europe no kobobo and intina. Do in aquaquesa, but all the same, no Kwampepra decision no, and no sube here, but na come here and we say, baby and combine sika, that will be North African kebeboa but kwam people say opeso ko Europe no ko bobo ho no anything na they decided say sa di we no ombeji atum but initially beba 15,000 euros na beba na say che no dia kana so yenhwe ni say omun sabe kesika na reflect on account so that is the most important thing. Ghanaian clubs there so most I need you say ya na chairman normally no kata no so de be fe but ebe wi ase no bo say ye ka quarter sem te say de ni kwampoku de na ye no so for kwam people de na san city so no hwe ni say obekọ Europe na wakwakobo
$15,000 to Ghana cedis say be 900 million 90,000 for 1 year.
I think invite that for some Nigerian club you can come on so between 300,000
permanent deal.
Yeah. Yes.
We're loan 1 year loan. 88,000.
That be 1 year loan you 15.
15,000 euros.
It's after loan no.
88,000 Ghana cedis.
After loan no. Normally
permanent deal na permanent deal no so ejina omo so. There's no guarantee.
Permanent deal ni jina
club ni so. So it could be possible say after the loan deal on beka so mo penny biom.
Yeah.
Well, Bani said he has to weigh the options. Maybe Macedonia also no. Bet me be a coin be a man. You never know because me I am in missing opportunities. To me opportunities bapa dia. Because me checking is canon 88
opportunity we want our chance to bigger opportunity comes.
Well, ni na anu shenya mensa. Na 88,726 Ghana cedis. That's the loan fee. It means say be call King Faisal ho. Sa branch here no bet me nya be $5,000 be a man bosumi be a dia. Na kwame. We there. No. Because a loan.
Okay, last chance travel and tours here in country be say. Said the name say about air ticketing, reservations, both domestic and international. Omaswe omoyebi. Omoye travel and tour arrangements. Travel consultancy. Sanso no mbuanko for mo ko sua dia na mko ye adwuma. Romania, Canada, Belarus, Russia, Cyprus and Turkey. Now they say they say yepe go for makoye adwuma Cyprus yepe go for makoye restaurant adwuma eti eno no benya €9 an hour na obey adwuma 8 hours a day sanso ene wo yepe go for makoye Romania and delivery work only €10 an hour oye 9 hours a day. That's like €90 every day. Sanso and the go from Serbia. Drivers and house helps. Yama over $1,500 a month. Your New Zealand and so they are being 30 workers. So over between $1,800 and $2,400 a month. Your Dubai and so you have carpenters, masons, electricians, drivers, and Sango for yepe. And Qatar, you have drivers. Turkey. You have hotel jobs. In fact, Omamu ye juma hotel no say, say cleaner, say obey juma or laundry, housekeeping. Sani mani weni nyinano. Na we subenya free accommodation feeding. Pay no so ye. Na we nyina making and one say odu weni be chim last chance travel and tours Australia. Omo ewo Diase news site. Page 4 echiwona ano. Ehona omo wo page 4. Aha, nechiwono. O de offer Diase car na say car go Diase news site. O de also be see page 4. Udruwa busa last chance travel and tour. Na say friend number 0543 5659 68 0543 565968. Tradewinds chemist there yenyina jatum say bedro edupa jai. Tradewinds omuno ya papa say uti ya honam baby ya Mr. Wedru eye for pain tablet eno yempanyimfo adru ena nkura de no eye for pain syrup enti se uti ya honam ya waposo as a fever bi ya cho anaso ho ya hyehyehye Wedru eye for pain tablet ebebo yi pa sense for pain syrup enso ho edema eye nkura no ene what trouser 500 ne susuno nipa bia na chekura no ache kura no boso miense bia no so diwe me intimesro de say unya no your friend no trouser ene all Riddles cough syrup so your Riddles baby Riddles junior Riddles adult and boy yi pa Primal Runners Company Limited masa otuwe oye adwumayini oye wadwuma wakati a woje no so aka so boaboa no pa bombum na de akwa koto edan na de akosi dan a unim say one ha Oliver kan so waka che nje di obenya bi adi no yes one ha ji se bi say sim Primal Runners say omo yanga che obi aso omo a building construction company now omo skill sets are amazing omo see all kind of buildings schools hospitals houses say usu fie oboso omo roofie ababe roofie ma omo roofing materials quality ones omo modern biogas installations omo pavement blocks omo sanshi shebi sani mani you know omo se nkan che obi say sawo properties na person to a fa me down omo beton ma o obi so obo property ato a broma so omo ton bi e de amount na omo say ton paint from American paints and omo de aba na omo ye nyina omo flexible payment say bi amount mo amono ni say usi udan na oti anko ye na offer asibi akwa say Andy and as offer asibi penalty say smoke mo na smoke your offer say na wa send smoke ska say over go cement ni yi cement to send 20 bags obeto 10 we did aka no obeba no na dan skeleton is yo enti odi ja Primal Runners no sensan krata bibia na oni omaka say bia bosumi bia ska say na metim bia ba enti this say na metim si dan na mame o say bia 2 years na no waka na utuatua na musi na utuatua 2 years over now dan is off German number no Primal Runners masters of consistency and quality number is 0246 402 778 0246 402 778 nanyomo endi juma Prostate Joy bema bia in fact from 35 okoko also started posting nonsense onim say oh na so junso emeye